Hey guys, today we'll be making adorable spring centerpieces. What you will need: I have the mini Bodabra bow maker, I have some bow wire, and pretty ribbon. I decided to go with 1.5-inch wide pink and lavender ribbon, but you can go with whatever colors you choose. And the ribbon I'm using is about 24 inches in length, but if you want a larger bow, then use more ribbon. If you want a smaller bow, then use less ribbon. It's completely up to you. And also the size of the centerpiece that you're going to place the ribbon on. And I've already placed some flowers in a mason jar because I thought it was so cute. I got these flowers from Hobby Lobby, so you can just pick whatever arrangement or color scheme you'd like. I thought this was so cute and perfect for spring. Also, scissors and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is take your bow wire, fold it in half, and place it down in the center of your Bodabra. And then I'm folding my ribbon in half. And then I'm going to scrunch it. Fold it in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. And you can use the mini Bodabra. It has a measuring tool on the device, so you can use that to help estimate your loops. So my loops are about 2.5 inches wide. And I'm just scrunching both of them and using my wand to help keep everything in place. And then when the wand is in place, you can maneuver and adjust it. And this is what it's looking like. So cute and precious. Next, I'm going to take my bow wire, the two openings inside of the loop, hold my bow in place, and give it a nice tug. Then I'm going to remove it from my Bodabra. And I'm going to tie it in a knot a couple of times, just to make sure it's nice and secure. The ribbon I'm using is more of like celebration ribbon, but you can use wire edge ribbon if you choose to do so. I chose to go with this ribbon, one for the colors and also because I want to curl the tails, which I will show you what I'm talking about in just a moment. But I'm going to take a small piece of ribbon, fold it, and this is going to serve as my center. And I'm just going to use my hot glue gun and glue this piece in place, right along the center. So this is what it looks like, and then I'm going to, since I still have my bow wire in place, I'm going to tie the bow wire 1 or 2 more times just to make sure I keep that center nice and secure. Once I'm all done, I'm going to cut away the excess bow wire, and it looks so cute and precious. Next, I'm going to take my scissors and firmly pull them along the tail of my ribbon. And I'm doing this so that it gives my ribbon a cute little curl. The firmer you pull, the curlier the ribbon will be. But if you don't want it as curly, then don't pull as firm. And I just do this a couple of times. Alright, it's looking so cute and precious. And I'm just going to place it on the front of my mason jar. Just going to place a small amount of hot glue on the back of my bow and just place it right on the front of my mason jar. Just like that. So cute and precious. I'm going to repeat the same steps with my lavender ribbon, just to show you guys how it looks with different colors. And here's the finished product. So cute and precious. I love both colors. Each ribbon brings out that color of the flowers. So if you have specific colors that you want to bring out, then change your ribbon to fit it. But it's so cute, precious, simple, and easy to do. And it's also inexpensive. Perfect for spring.